Hi, I'm Matt.
I'm Eric.
And we believe that you shouldn't need huge budgets to make projects that look and feel huge. We got into this because live action is expensive. But it turns out, animation's also expensive.
So we started thinking about how do we steal the best from both worlds?
Yeah, the sort of like immediacy of live action.
And the sort of unlimited creative potential of animation.
So we developed our own process for filming live action, stylizing characters, and then inserting those characters into stylized 3D environments in real time.
Core to making this all work is the Mars CamTrack system.
It's the most accessible and powerful way to marry the physical and virtual world. Multiple cameras, object tracking. Mars created a problem for us. They made it so easy to shoot and film inside virtual worlds. Last year, we thought it'd be fun to try and improvise a space opera.
Is it bad?
This meant big worlds, crazy sequences, even crazier characters.
Big environments.
And that's the part that's been driving us crazy. Currently, building out those environments is by far our biggest time suck. You have to start building out the architecture and then laying out the props and dealing with textures and lighting.
And for small production, every minute not spent working on the characters, the story, is time wasted.
That's what we love about Marble.
Marble is a generative AI tool that does text and images to 3D worlds. And when I first started playing with Marble, I was kind of blown away. I've never seen anything that could generate such a sophisticated environment with such a simple prompt. In a room, for example, it will show you the entire space around that room. And if you move through the room, you can see to the other sides of interesting objects. I don't know that there's anything else like it.
Wow, so speaking of, here's a little unfinished sequence from that space project. It's when all the main characters meet for the first time, and we wanted to see how quickly we could duck in backgrounds using Marble.
Yeah, so we're gonna be trying to generate a desert world scene. It's gonna be nighttime. Think of it as Tatooine-esque. Oh, that one's cool. That'll be really cool.
All right, you want to try this one?
Yeah, let's do this. So once we've generated the world at a higher resolution, we're gonna download that, convert it into a slightly different file format, and then bring it into Unreal.
So when it's in Unreal, we're just going to be able to manipulate it, rotate it, scale it, like it was anything else?
Correct, it's essentially an object.
So we can rotate it 180 degrees to look entirely in the other direction. Where's our little friend? We have an all CG character. Yeah, there he is.
There's Corb.
So we want to just make it look like he's running straight down the alley. Boom. Looks great.
It does look awesome. And that's so exciting.
And then we just have to render it out.
Yep.
A sign of a good tool is one where you want to keep playing with it. And that's so far what we do. We keep finding images and saying, ooh, what about that? What about that? So we're really excited to keep playing with Marble and seeing how deeply we can integrate it into our worlds. It's a really impressive tool. So impressive, we wish we had had it last year when we started this project. Thank you.
Kind of.
Thanks a lot. Sincerely.